Welcome back to my channel, AkhilaClassroom. My name is Akhila and today let us create a UI design with 3 simple steps. Before that, let me tell you what is Figma and why do we use it. Figma is a free online tool used to design websites, apps, and graphics. We use it because it's easy to create and share designs. Many people can work on the same design at the same time. It works in the browser, so no need to install software. Figma helps designers and developers plan how a website or app will look and work. So, the 3 main steps to design a UI are: first, log into the Figma account using your mail ID. Second, make a design that you wanted your UI to be. Third, choose a right frame and start adding all the layers into it. Let's begin our work now. Open browser and search for Figma. Select the first option, and the page of Figma will open. First thing to do is to sign in using your personal mail ID. I already have an account, so it look like this once we have an account in Figma. This is the new version of the Figma as of the date 16th May 2025. If you notice, there are many options in this page. Let me tell you the use of each option here. The option All Projects will save all the project works that we have done so far. Drafts will save our projects by default. And Trash will hold all the deleted projects. If you notice here, I have got lot of deleted projects here. Template and Tools are to choose the ready-made designs for work. This will make our work so easy. You can choose any template according to your requirement. And we will discuss it in the further video. Recent option shows the files you've opened or worked on recently. Apart from single use, we can work on a team, so for that we can create a team here using Create New option. To start a project, we need to click on the project option on top right. See, this is our new workspace, where we will be start designing our projects. Let us navigate through the options first. Here in the top left corner you can find the Untitled. This will represent the name of the project. We can change it to our requirement. I am naming it as First. Below that we have Pages option. Pages help you organize your work within a single file. We can add many pages here. Below that we have Layers option. All the items in your design, stacked one over another. We have Toolbar at the bottom, contains tools like Move, Hand, Pencil, Shapes, Frames, etc. to design. The second step to start our work is to select our design, so I wanted to create a page something like this. Let's dive into our work. Start with selecting the frame. You can select any of the frame of your choice. Here I am selecting iPhone 16 Pro. This is our frame. You can see the dimensions of the frame at the bottom of it. This is the only place we can add any of the details of the design. We can see the added items under Layer section. I wanted to begin with adding text. For that I am selecting the text option. Now add the title of the design. We can edit the title as our requirement, like change color, font style, size. To change the text, first select the text, then choose your preferred size, font style, color. Now I am adding the color to the frame. Choose your interested color under the Fill option. If you are not interested in adding color to background, you can add the background image for frame. Select fourth option under Customs, then choose the image from your device. Now I will adjust the color of the text according to the background image. You can add the description for the page as well. Adjust the alignments of the text. Once everything is set, let us add a logo to our page. For that, click on Plugin option from Toolbar. Search for logo here and select any of the options. I am choosing second option, Vector Logos. Then click on Run option to choose the logos for the design. Search for travel in search bar to get the logos related to travel. Choose one here, or you can use your own logo from your device. It's a white color logo, so it is not visible on the screen. We need to adjust the dimensions of the logo. Drag and place it on the frame wherever you want it to be. To check how our design will look on the iPhone 16 Pro, click on Preview option on the top right corner. This is how we design our UI page if we have an idea of the design. If not, then we can use the templates that are present in Figma. To choose the template, click on the Figma logo on top left corner. Click on Back to Files. Choose Template and Tools option. Search for the type of template you want. I am searching for Travel template. Choose any one of the template from the list. Click on Open in Figma option to use the template. We can edit the text, images, color combinations from of each frame. Let me change the names of each layer for my easy understanding. I want the background color of the page to be white. So select the Page option and select the white color from Fill option. I don't want to make any changes to the first slide, but I want to change the name and profile picture of the second slide. To change the profile photo, click on it, then select Fill option and choose the picture that you want to replace with. Adjust the position of the picture correctly. Similarly, you can change the text, image, or icon from any of the frame. You can make them. Then check for the output look by using Preview option. This is how you will make the UI design in 3 simple steps using Figma in less than 30 minutes.